Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Haifa and this is my friend.
Say hi to Alia, Emilia, Madiha, and Aisha.
Today we will talk about Situ. What is Situ? Situ is outside, offside, or away from the natural location, such as the zoo. Now we are here in PI080S Discovery Wetland to discuss more about Situ. First of all, what are the purpose of Situ?
Situ conservation is one of the strategies to conserve wildlife species outside their habitat. This place, PI080S Wetlands, is also one of the Situ conservation in Malaysia. The purposes on having the conservation in Malaysia, which one of them is to preserve germplasm fossils that are increasingly endangered. Second, to provide material for ongoing biological research. Third, to ensure that wildlife species do not become extinct. And lastly, breeding fully protected wildlife species at a healthy population level before being released back into their native habitat. Well, my part has finished, so let's go back to Haifa.
Thank you, Emilia. Next, let's talk about the type of species found here. Can you explain more?
Okay, one of the species that we can find here is red white pelican. The scientific name of this species is Pelecanus onocrotalus, and the habitat of this species is swamps and shallow lakes. For your information, this species fishing takes up a very small portion of the pelican's day. The rest of the day is spent loafing, preening, and butting. The pelican will get or spread its wings when hot as a form of thermoregulation.
Okay, Aisha, where are we now?
So we are at the crocodile lake, where we can find estuarine crocodile, or their scientific name is Crocodylus parasus. So their habitat is along river banks, lagoons, and estuaries.
So, how about their diet?
So they're mostly nocturnal because they have a very great night vision, but they can also hunt during the day, and they will eat whatever they catch. For the larger crocodiles, they will feed less often, and they will eat on a bigger prey such as sea turtles, birds, and fish.
Let's move for the next species, which is hippopotamus.
Or their scientific name is Hippopotamus amphibius.
The distribution of this species is sub-Saharan Africa,
And their habitats are lakes and rivers. So, do you want to know the fun fact of hippopotamus? Hippopotamus can outrun a human, and even though they are herbivores, they also sometimes will eat meat, like in this video. Next,
do you want to know about the behavior of the species? Actually, hippopotamus are semi-aquatic animals. During the day, they remain cool by staying in the water and emerge at dusk to graze on grass. Reproduction and childbirth both occur in water.
preserved here. So, what are the importance of Situ?
There is a lot of importance of Situ conservation. Firstly, animals and plants are kept safe from external threats. You can see in here, the organism is secured with food, security and shelter. Under the human care, their lifespan will be longer and their chance of survival will be highly increased. It is also invaluable for students and scientists to do a research. This will provide greater understanding for students and scientists. From growing instinct, the animals and plants are relocated from their natural habitat to the new Situ conservation. Situ also can store plant seeds everywhere. Thus, it also can educate public about conservation effort to maintain the natural life of habitat of animals and plants.
So, that is the end of our discovery and discussion about Situ conservation. We hope that all of you will also come here to study for yourself about the Situ discovery. Thank you to all friends, our madam and all parties involved. We hope our video will have an impact on the community out there about the importance of flora and fauna to us. We apologize if there are any shortcomings and technical problems. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for watching.
Let's go.
Assalamualaikum. Please, selamatkan pet aku.
So, how about their diet?
So they're mostly nocturnal because they have a very great night vision, but they can also hunt during the day and they will eat whatever they catch. And good. For the larger crocodiles, they will eat less often and they will eat on a bigger prey such as sea turtles. Tapi kat sini tak ada sea turtle tau.
Tak apa lah. Biar je lah, sebut je lah.
Such as sea turtles, birds and fishes. Fishes ada fish tak? And fish. Dah tu je.
Aku cakap betul ke? Okay. One of the important. One of the species that we can found here is red white pelican, or the scientific name is Pelecanus or Next, I will pass my part. Next, I will pass to Haifa. Okay.
Well, my part has finished, so let's go back to Haifa.